The global manufacturing landscape is undergoing a profound transformation. At the heart of this revolution are dark factories, fully automated production facilities that operate with minimal human intervention, often in darkness or dim lighting. These factories represent a paradigm shift in industrial production, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things. China, with its vast manufacturing sector and ambitious technological goals, is at the forefront of this movement. The country is rapidly adopting and deploying dark factory technologies, aiming to enhance productivity, reduce costs, and maintain its competitive edge in the global market. The rise of dark factories has sparked both excitement and apprehension. While proponents highlight their potential to revolutionize manufacturing and unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency, critics raise concerns about job displacement, economic inequality, and the ethical implications of widespread automation. As we delve deeper into the world of dark factories, we will explore their inner workings, the technological forces driving their emergence, and the profound implications they hold for the future of work, the economy, and society as a whole. Imagine a factory floor devoid of human presence. The only sounds are the hum of machinery and the whirring of robotic arms. This is the reality inside a dark factory, where production processes are entirely automated, and machines work tirelessly around the clock. At the heart of a dark factory lies a sophisticated network of interconnected technologies. Advanced robots equipped with sensors, actuators, and AI algorithms perform tasks ranging from assembly and welding to quality control and packaging. These robots can operate with remarkable precision and speed, often surpassing human capabilities. Data is the lifeblood of a dark factory. Sensors embedded throughout the facility collect real-time information on every aspect of the production process, from raw material consumption to machine performance. This data is then analyzed by AI systems to optimize workflows, identify potential bottlenecks, and make intelligent decisions without human intervention. The absence of human workers eliminates the need for lighting, hence the term dark factory. This not only reduces energy consumption but also allows for continuous operation, as machines are not bound by human limitations such as fatigue or the need for breaks. China's rapid embrace of dark factories is fueled by a confluence of factors, including its technological prowess, government support, and evolving economic landscape. The country has made significant strides in AI, robotics, and automation, positioning itself as a global leader in these fields. The Chinese government has identified automation as a key driver of economic growth and has implemented policies to encourage its adoption across various industries. Initiatives such as Made in China 2025 and the New Generation Artificial Intelligence Development Plan provide financial incentives, research funding, and regulatory support for companies investing in automation technologies. Moreover, China's rising labor costs, shrinking workforce due to an aging population, and increasing demand for high-quality products have created an economic imperative for automation. Dark factories offer a solution to these challenges by boosting productivity, reducing labor costs, and enhancing product quality. Examples of dark factories are already emerging across China, demonstrating the transformative potential of this technology. In Dongguan, a city known as the Factory of the World, a mobile phone manufacturer has implemented a fully automated production line operated by robots and AI systems. This dark factory has reportedly reduced labor costs by 85% and increased productivity by 250%. Another example is a clothing factory in Hangzhou that has replaced 90% of its human workers with robots. These robots can cut, sew, and assemble garments with remarkable speed and accuracy, producing customized clothing items on demand. The factory's output has tripled since the implementation of automation, and its defect rate has plummeted. These case studies highlight the real-world impact of dark factories and their potential to revolutionize various industries. As the technology continues to advance and become more affordable, we can expect to see a proliferation of dark factories across China and beyond. The rise of dark factories has sparked widespread concerns about job displacement and the future of work. As machines become increasingly sophisticated and capable of performing tasks once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans, many fear that mass unemployment is inevitable. While it is true that automation will inevitably lead to job losses in certain sectors, it is essential to recognize that it will also create new opportunities in others. The operation and maintenance of dark factories will require a skilled workforce proficient in areas such as robotics, artificial intelligence programming, and data analytics. The challenge lies in ensuring that workers are equipped with the necessary skills to thrive in this evolving job market. Governments and educational institutions must prioritize STEM education, vocational training programs, and lifelong learning initiatives to prepare the workforce for the jobs of the future. The economic implications of dark factories are far-reaching and complex. On the one hand, automation has the potential to unleash unprecedented levels of productivity, reduce costs, and drive economic growth. By automating repetitive and labor-intensive tasks, companies can free up human workers to focus on higher-value activities that require creativity, problem-solving, and interpersonal skills. On the other hand, the widespread adoption of dark factories could exacerbate existing economic inequalities. As companies automate their operations, the demand for low-skilled labor is likely to decline, potentially leading to wage stagnation and unemployment among those without the skills to compete in the new economy. Furthermore, the rise of dark factories could intensify global competition. Countries that embrace automation early on are likely to gain a competitive advantage, while those that lag behind risk losing their manufacturing base and facing economic challenges. While China is currently leading the charge in dark factory adoption, the trend is by no means limited to its borders. As the technology matures and becomes more accessible, we can expect to see similar transformations in manufacturing hubs around the world. In countries with high labor costs, such as the United States and Germany, dark factories offer a way to reshore manufacturing operations that were previously outsourced to lower-cost countries. This could have significant implications for global trade patterns and supply chains. The rise of dark factories also raises questions about the future of work on a global scale. As automation becomes increasingly prevalent, countries will need to grapple with the challenges of job displacement, skills gaps, and the need for social safety nets to support those who are left behind. The rapid pace of automation, particularly in the context of dark factories, raises a host of ethical considerations that require careful examination. One pressing concern is the potential for algorithmic bias. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if this data reflects existing biases, the resulting algorithms may perpetuate and even amplify these biases. Another ethical dilemma relates to accountability. In a fully automated factory, where machines make decisions without human intervention, it can be challenging to determine who is responsible when things go wrong. This raises questions about liability, transparency, and the need for robust regulatory frameworks to govern the use of AI in the workplace. Furthermore, the widespread adoption of automation raises fundamental questions about the nature of work and its role in society. If machines can perform most jobs more efficiently than humans, what does this mean for our sense of purpose, identity, and social cohesion? The rise of dark factories is an undeniable trend that is reshaping the global manufacturing landscape. While the transition to a more automated future will undoubtedly present challenges, it also offers significant opportunities for innovation, economic growth, and societal progress. To navigate this new era successfully, we must adopt a proactive and holistic approach. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions must work together to foster a skilled workforce, promote responsible innovation, and ensure that the benefits of automation are shared widely. The future of manufacturing is not about replacing humans with machines, but about finding ways for humans and machines to collaborate effectively. By embracing the potential of automation while addressing its ethical implications, we can create a future where technology empowers workers, drives economic prosperity, and enhances our collective well-being.